Okay, so looking at how the question is, if we put a 0 here, down here, it will give us a denominator of 0, of which it is not okay mathematically. It's undefined. You can't have a denominator which is a 0. So what you're expected to do here is to rationalize. So how do we rationalize? So say limit as x approaches 0, we have x root over x plus 1 minus 1. So this same thing, the denominator, will rationalize it. So what do I mean by saying rationalizing? Copy it the way it is. Just put a plus here. It was minus, but put a plus. So since it's a multiplication, we are multiplying this by this. It must also be multiplied by what is on top. So it will look like this. So the same thing here. This stuff is just the same because what I've done here is the same as 1. If we divide, if you're able to see we divide, we just get a 1. So this is what we call rationalizing. So when we multiply, we have a limit as x approaches 0 over x, okay, this x multiplied by this stuff over here, okay, and then down here it's difference of 2 squares, if you can see. So this will be multiplied by this, and we'll just get x plus 1. The root will disappear, and here we'll get negative 1. So now from this stage we can now sort out things. We know that we have a limit as x approaches 0 of x, this x, and we also have this stuff here, this stuff. Down here 1 and 1 will cancel, will just remain with the x, okay? So this x and this will cancel, so we'll remain with the limit, okay, as x approaches 0 over root over x plus 1 plus 1 here. So now we can plug in 0 here. When we put 0 here, we have something like this, root of 0 plus 1 and plus 1 here. So this will just be a 1, okay? Everything here will just be a 1. So say 1 plus, okay, let me just write it properly. Let me clean up, I create some space. So this would give us a 0. If we put a 0 here, to give us a 0 plus 1 plus this 1 which is over here, which will just be a 1 plus 1, and our final answer will be a 2. 2 is the final answer, okay? Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and be able to learn more and more mathematics.